Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious Burma Baklava. First, let's prepare the syrup, which needs to be cool when poured over the hot pastry. Combine sugar, water, and lemon juice in a saucepan, bring to a boil, then simmer for about 10 minutes. Set it aside to cool completely. Next, clarify your butter. This simple step removes milk solids, ensuring your baklava is wonderfully crisp and golden brown. You'll need about 250 grams of clarified butter for the entire recipe. Now, let's get our main ingredients ready. Phyllo dough is delicate, so ensure it's thawed properly, usually for 1 to 2 hours, and always keep it covered with a damp cloth to prevent it from drying out. For the filling, finely chop about 200 grams of your favorite nuts, like walnuts or pistachios, until they resemble coarse couscous. Then, mix these chopped nuts with a small amount of sugar and a hint of cinnamon or cardamom for that classic aromatic flavor. This is where the magic happens. Take 1 sheet of phyllo, brush it generously with your clarified butter, and fold it in half lengthwise. Now, sprinkle 2 to 3 tablespoons of your delicious nut mixture evenly over the buttered surface, leaving a small margin. Place a thin wooden dowel at the bottom edge, roll the phyllo tightly around it, then gently push both ends towards the center to create that signature twisted look. Carefully remove the dowel and transfer your beautiful roll to a greased baking pan. Almost there. Once all your rolls are in the pan, give them a final generous brush with any leftover clarified butter. Bake your baklava in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 45 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown. The moment they come out of the oven, immediately pour the completely cooled syrup over the hot baklava. This temperature difference is key for absorption. Let it soak for at least 1 hour, or even better, several hours, before cutting into bite-sized pieces and enjoying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.